Hey, welcome to Vector Systems, the Bonham location. My name's Isaiah Ellis, and let me take you for a tour. Here at Vector Systems, we've got 5 acres of land. Let's continue expanding, and let's start with our offices. This is office number 1. In here it houses HR, QC, engineers, project design. We'll be here temporarily, but things are starting to take shape. This is office number 2. In here, we've got a few different personnel. We've got PMs, supply chain, and then there also houses a few conference rooms. This is Vector Systems. This is our original building. We've been here for 30 plus years. Now let me show you around inside. This is our original office. This house is reception and accounting. Let me take you to my desk, QC. And this is my desk. This is where quality control happens. Now, let me take you out to the shop. In this facility, this is the Joe Bell workspace. This is our sister company. We support all of their endeavors, and they make float control switches. Now let me show you in the shop. And this is our shop location. In here we make pressure vessels and storage control tanks. This is our plate roller right here. This rolls up to 5/8 thick material, a 10-foot span. We went through processes to get this installed in the floor of the shop, so this is a stationary machinery now. Here in this shop, this is the future of Joe Bell. Currently, right now, we're housing a lot of our heavy machinery equipment from McKinney. And this is the future of Bonham. This is where our new headquarters will be. You might have seen us in the news lately. That's us. I appreciate y'all for taking the tour with me. Thank you.